Hey, we're celebrating the month of Mayberry down at the Barbershop. One of my favorite episodes of the Andy Griffith Show was Rafe Hollister Sings. You might remember the scene when Barney's in there getting ready for the audition. He says, "Give me some accompaniment, Ange." And he's there and he's going through the song, and Rafe Hollister interrupts and says, "Barn, that's just not how it goes." So here's our tribute to Rafe Hollister. Believe me, if all those enduring young charms. Believe me, if all those enduring young charms which I gaze on so fondly today were to change by tomorrow and fleet in my arms like the fairy gifts fading away, thou wouldst still be adored at this moment, art. Let thy loveliness fade as it will, and around the dear ruin each wish of my heart would entwine itself